want to learn Adobe InDesign so you can confidently design page layouts, format text professionally, and create publications ready for print and the web? This course is perfect for you if you are just starting out or if you are self-taught and aiming to learn to do things more effectively and professionally. I am Martin Perhiniak, certified Adobe expert and instructor. Besides using InDesign for over a decade as a professional graphic and editorial designer, I have taught thousands of people in classrooms, webinars, online tutorials, courses, and live streams. Thanks to being truly passionate about both using and teaching InDesign, I am proud to say that I was officially voted as one of the top 10 Adobe instructors in the world. Throughout this course, I have carefully selected each example to make sure you get clear explanations without wasting time, even while we explore complex techniques. Having worked for clients like Disney, Mattel, Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon, and BBC, I have ensured this course will help you to start using InDesign just like a creative professional. By purchasing this course, you will also get downloadable exercise files, so you will actually be using the software to work your way through projects while you learn. You can also test your knowledge and how much you remember from what you've learned with the quizzes in each chapter. Studying from this course is also a perfect way to prepare for the official Adobe certification called Print and Digital Media Publication using Adobe InDesign. I cover all the necessary skills to pass this exam and have included a guide for you to prepare if you are interested in getting certified. Take the next step in your creative career, enroll on this course now, and let's master Adobe InDesign together.